Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Amari from team 18172 Uplift Robotics. Today's science experiments video is going to be making wooden robot figures. Let's jump right in. Here's where we're going to need to get started. Some small wooden blocks, rectangular or square, it doesn't matter, be creative. A drill with a drill bit, screws of any size, hooks are optional, and markers, paint, anything to decorate is also optional, but a fun touch. Let's jump right in. Now we are going to start drilling the holes for the face. Make sure to drill in an up and down motion and get creative as you'd like. And make sure to have parent supervision when drilling. Now we're going to drill the holes for the ears and the top, again using the up and down motion. These steps are optional but add a nice touch, and I like adding a hook on top so I can add it anywhere. Final steps are to add on your screws and nails or anything and decorate. Just have fun with it and be as creative as you'd like. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Tune in next week for another science experiments video. We'll see you then. Bye!